Welcome to Belmont Machinery Company. Today we'll be doing a demonstration of this POREBA engine lathe. It's a model TRP93/6 meter. It's 36 inch by 20 foot centers, new in 1996. You've got 36 inch swing over your bed, 25 inch over your cross slide, 240 inch or 20 foot centers. You've got hard ways, inch metric threading, 3.75 inch hole through your spindle, 9 to 900 RPM, 2-speed main motor. It's a solid base machine. You've got 6-way power rapid traverse. You've got power compound for taper turning, a quick change tool post, a 2-axis Sony digital readout, your pendant control on your carriage, 2-speed 6-Morse taper tailstock with a live center. You've got two modified steady rests and a 23-inch capacity roller type steady rest. Oh, and last but not least, you got a 31.5 inch diameter 4-jaw chuck. Shot of your control panel. And we're gonna run it for you. Go ahead, Doug, why don't you turn it on? Here's your chuck. It's running about 160 RPM, I do believe. All right, let's see some rapid traverse on your carriage. So that's your rapid going away from your chuck. Just coming towards your chuck. All right, cross slide in and out. Here's your cross slide. And you want to show us the power compound? Put that one down and that one up. Yep, there you go. All right, while you're there, show us feed. Alright, so there's your feed on your power compound. Okay. Show us feed on the cross slide. Feed. Okay. Oh wait, yep. Let's see that readout there. There she is. Very good. All right, and carriage. There you go. All right, here we are feeding the carriage towards the chuck. There it is, counting on the readout. Want to show us a reversal, Doug? You can reverse here on the carriage. There you go. So now we're feeding away from the chuck. And there it is on the readout. All right, so that concludes our video demonstration. This machine is in stock and can be inspected under power here in Aurora, Illinois. Thanks for watching.